Hello students, good morning to all. So in this video we are starting with the compounds of group 16 elements. First compound which we are going to discuss are the hydrides. Most common hydrides of group 16 are the dihydrides with general formula of H2M, where M represents the group 16 element, which can be any out of oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. So these are the dihydrides of group 16 elements, out of which first dihydride is water, which is most abundant. These can be prepared by the action of acids on metal chalcogenides. Here we can have any metal, and that bonded to any group 16 element will call these compounds, we will call these compounds as metal chalcogenides, and when these are reacted with any acid, then we get the hydrides of group 16 elements. All the hydrides of group 16 elements are having bent structure. By bent structure I mean the shape is bent but the geometry is tetrahedral due to the presence of lone pairs. I hope as in the last semester you have already done the theories of chemical bonding, that is valence bond theory, valence shell electron pair repulsion theory, MOT. So you are very well aware of what about the geometries, bond angles, hybridization. So the bond angle in the hydrides of group 16 elements also decreases as we move down the group, as was the case for the hydrides of group 15 elements. As two lone pairs are present in the structure of hydrides of group 16 elements, so bond angle is very much shifted from, in comparison to the standard tetrahedral geometry angle, that is 109 degree. So here the angle in case of water, bond angle in case of water is 104.5, which further decreases in case of H2S to 92, then to 91 in case of selenium, and then to 90 in case of tellurium. As polonium is radioactive, so we are not considering, as that is short-lived and not stable. So as we move down the group, the bond angle decreases. So why this is happening? The reason is same as we discussed in group 16, that as we move down the group, what happens is there is decrease in electronegativity, and due to this decrease in electronegativity, what happens is the tendency, one point is that size is increasing as we move down the group. Due to increase in size, the bond pair of oxygen and hydrogen bond is shifted away from the central atom. And the second reason is, as we move down the group, electronegativity is also decreasing, and due to decrease in electronegativity, the tendency of the central atom to keep the shared pair of electrons towards itself decreases, and when this tendency decreases, the bond pairs move away from the central atom as we move down the group. So as these bond pairs move away, repulsion between the bond pairs decreases, and as the repulsions between the bond pairs decreases, there is decrease in the bond angle. So in case of water, the bond angle is maximum, which further decreases as we move down the group. Due to this decrease in bond angle, a very important rule was originated, that was called as Drago's rule, which tells us about the basicity of these hydrides, basicity of group 14, group 15 and group 16 is explained on the basis of Drago's rule, which I'll be discussing a bit later. So now we come to the periodic trends of hydrides of group 16 elements. First property is the volatility. Volatility is decided on the basis of boiling point. More the boiling point, lesser is the volatility of any element or any of the molecule or any of the compounds. So hydrides of group 16 elements are generally considered volatile because they are having very low boiling point. The boiling points are lesser than 0 degree Celsius for all the cases, so they are considered as volatile compounds. But in case of water, what happens is the boiling point is extremely high in comparison to other, that it is greater than 100 degrees Celsius. So it is equal to 100 degrees Celsius. So why this happens? As we move down the group, what happens is the size is increasing, and as the size of the molecule is increases and the molecular, so with the increase in molecular size and molecular weight, what happens is the interaction present between them is a van der Waals forces, and the intensity of the van der Waals forces increases as the molecular size and the molecular weight increases. So according to this explanation, water, that is H2O, should have the least boiling point, but in case of water there are more stronger forces are present, which are called as hydrogen bonding, which is present in case of water and not in any other hydride of any dihydride of group 16. So in case of water, hydrogen bonding is present, and strength of hydrogen bonding is far more than the in comparison to the van der Waals forces. So boiling point of water becomes exceptionally high in comparison to the boiling point of other hydrides of group 16. That is why in general boiling point increases down the group, but water is having exceptionally high boiling point. So this is explanation for the boiling point of group 16 elements. We have already